Welcome to the camper. I'm going to give you the virtual walkthrough. As you come in, you have the queen size bed here. These windows zip in and out. Sheets, blankets. Here is the dining area. This can be folded down if you do need an extra bed. This couch is a jackknife couch that if you lift the bottom up and the top at the same time, that will fold down. All of the lights in the unit will run off their individual switches. Over here you have the general control unit. Battery, fresh tank, black tank, and gray tank. We have the gray tank emptying out. The black tank, if both of them do read full, it is going to need to be emptied out. Right here is the water pump. You don't need to use the water pump. This will heat the hot water through gas. Right now we have it heating off electric. This is for the outdoor porch light. This is for the ceiling light right above us. You don't need to do not touch these two buttons. The stove is here. The knobs, the oven. You are going to need to light that manually as the igniter does not work for all of the burners. Microwave, sinks, your television, the refrigerator. As long as you are hooked onto electric, this should be set to auto. You can adjust the temperature here. There's your freezer, your refrigerator. Make sure those clip closed. Extra storage, some paper towels, some towels here. The second bedroom area and the third. There's some storage up top, storage down below. Into the bathroom, your sink cabinet underneath, first aid kit, extra toilet paper, shower curtain, hot and cold there. That does come off so that you can use it. This here, the top lid, the bottom here, it is a step. There are directions for the step right there. A small step will fill it with water. A full step will drain it. The fan is automatically linked to the lights, but you can shut it off via that button right there. This is the thermostat. You'll switch this over. You'll hear a fan kick on and a clicking as long as you're hooked up to electric, and that will engage from the propane and that will blow out. It'll automatically shut off once you reach its certain temperature. When you're done, you can just completely shut it off as well. The air conditioner, if you are running off a 110 line, it will only run the air conditioner or it'll run everything else. So you have a choice of one or the other if you're running the air conditioner. Right now you can use it as a fan with the heat in order to distribute that air. Next I'm going to take you outside and show you the switches for the propane to make sure that's on, as well as the gray and black tanks. Right here you also have a small vacuum which can be hooked up to the lighter port behind the TV. There's your radio and stereo, the A, B, and C. There are A and B, A speakers inside, B and C are outside. Around front are the propane tanks. And if we look inside, you can see you have two tanks, each with their own separate knob. And in the front here, you have this section here. There's a black switch here. Right now it's pointing to the far tank. If you push that switch down and over, that switch will point to this tank, and you can switch in between which tank you have on and off. If you do need to change the propane tank, what you're going to do is first press this, pull this down to collapse this area so that you can lift the outside of this unit up in order to access those propane tanks, to pull them out and to have them filled.